Welcome to the newest luxury townhouse to hit South Medford. Let's take a look at 19 Manning Street. Welcome to the newest luxury townhouse to hit South Medford. From its modern influences to a state-of-the-art design, every detail has been meticulously curated. This massive, one-of-a-kind townhouse leaves nothing to be desired. With 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and almost 3,400 square feet across 4 levels, and garage parking. The primary suite is what dreams are made of. And there's tons of options for living space, from your fully finished basement to the top floor with direct access to your oversized covered roof deck with double-sided fireplace. This is for sure one you won't want to miss. I hope to see you this weekend at our open houses. For more information, check out santanateam.com. Cheers.